welcome back to my channel. Today it's Sunday, which means happy Sunday, everybody. Yeah, so Sunday is here, and what I do on every Sunday, I make a video, just an entertaining video where I just talk about stuff that I want to talk about, you know, stuff that I usually don't talk about on my Tuesdays video. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome, and make sure to subscribe. Anyway, so if you guys didn't know, I drop videos twice a week, every Tuesday and every Sunday. On Tuesdays, I drop videos that are related to self-development, self-love, self-care, psychology. You know, my very famous series, Tuesday Tips with Nour. And on Sunday, I just drop entertaining videos. That's it. And I talk about whatever I want to talk about, because that's my channel and I can do whatever I want to do on my channel. Anyway, so today I chose to talk about travel as well, since I am a travel blogger. If you guys didn't know that, again, then make sure you check out my blog, www.nadanour.com, and subscribe to my blog so that you can get notified every time I post a blog post, which is 3 times a week. Okay, so today I want to share with you how to make the most out of your travels. I want to give you some tips that will help you enjoy your trip to the maximum and have fun while you're traveling. So I hope that you like the concept of this video, and I hope you will like this video. So make sure you watch it till the end. So now, if you want to know how to make the most out of your travels, then let's roll, honey. Let's roll. Okay, so the first tip that I want to share with you is to let go. Let me explain what I mean by that. Having a plan, it's certainly a good idea. Like planning your trip, it's very, very good. By the way, I will definitely upload a video on my Tuesday Tips series where I share with you how to plan a trip. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, now focusing on what I just said right now. Having a plan, it's a good idea, but do not try to over plan, or do not try to overwhelm yourself with that plan, and do not put yourself on a strict schedule, because you will end up feeling exhausted at the end of your trip. I mean, the whole point of traveling is enjoying yourself and just relaxing and having a good time. So why would you put yourself in a pressure and just over planning and just, you know, just skip that routine of planning and just live your life, live in the present moment, and just enjoy your time. Let go. Let it go. Let it go. A very, very good tip that I want to share with you, which is the second tip, it's be an early bird. This might not be for everyone. I mean, since I am, if you guys didn't know, I am a 5 a.m. riser, an everyday 5 a.m. riser. And when it comes to traveling, I am also a 5 a.m. riser, because you need to wake up early if you want to go to tourist attraction. In fact, it's better for you to be there before opening, just because it is very interesting to explore places before they get busy, okay? So that you can take good pictures without having a crowd next to you. I bet you understand what I'm saying. Anyway, next tip. I feel like it's really important for me to talk about this on my channel or whatever social media I have. Travel for you and for nobody else. I am a blogger for sure. I'm a travel, fashion and beauty blogger for sure, but I don't like to share every minute of my day when I am traveling. I mean, it's fine to share your experience with the world, unless of course it is the purpose of sharing is just sharing but not to brag about what you have and about where you went and everything. But you need to keep in your mind that the most important thing is that you need to travel for you and not for anybody else, not for the social media, not for the bragging stuff or whatever, just for you. To be honest, even though I'm a travel blogger, I don't feel that urge, I don't feel that need to take my phone and just be like IG storying everywhere I go and taking pictures everywhere I go. I love to sometimes put my phone down and just enjoy the moment, be in the present moment and enjoy where I am, look at the view, just visit the places, enjoy the places. So if you, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, whenever I travel, yes, I do share my trip, I do share some pictures when I'm traveling and where I traveled. I do share a lot of on IG stories as well. I do a lot of IG stories as well, but I don't share everything or every minute of my day, where I went, what I bought, not everything, because I don't know, even though social media, it's a place where you can't keep it 100% personal, but still you have the right to not share everything about your personal life and everything about your daily life. Another tip, you guys, it's budget appropriately always. Of course, I had to speak about money when it comes to traveling, right? So the best way to make your money last while traveling is to be on top of your budget. Why? Because simply the last thing that you want is for you to be short on money in the middle of your travel and then you will be forced to return back home. We don't want that to happen, so that's why it's always important to determine a budget before you go into that trip and stick into that budget actually while traveling, while you are on that trip. So yeah, so it's really important to budget always. So the last tip or the last thing that I want to talk about is embrace the struggle. Oh my god, this is crazy. But yeah, if you have already traveled before, you know that there will be times when you will miss your flight, when you will be sick, when you get sick on that trip, you can't understand a word the other person is saying, especially if you travel to a country where you don't speak their language. So yeah, there will be a lot of obstacles, a lot of struggles, that for sure. But this comes actually with the package of traveling. And guess what? You are traveling and exposing yourself to uncertain situations and circumstances. And always remember that nothing worth having comes easy in life. So suck it up, you people, and be grateful for all the experiences, whether they are good or bad. Find and look for the positive in every situation, whether it's a good situation or a bad situation. Always be positive and have a positive mindset and be grateful for whatever you're going through, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing. You always can find the good in uncertain situations. So anyway, that was it, you guys. That was the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you find it helpful and a little bit entertaining as well. Why not? Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel till I drop a new one. Bye!